valve. Quick drop valve is equipped on the top of cylinder blade. The primary function of the quick drop valve is to allow rapid blade lower without voiding the head end of the lift cylinders. Minimizing the amount of cylinder voiding reduces the time delay that can occur when a rapid blade lower is followed by an operator request for blade down.
The quick drop valve is a more complex makeup valve used on some medium and large track-type tractors. It consists of a two-piece check valve and spring and an orifice. The valve is located between the cylinder and the implement control valve and is normally closed. Take a moment to study this valve. Note the locations of its components. The number 1 indicates the location of the two-piece check valve. Number 2, the spring. Number 3, the orifice. Number 4 shows the rod end, and number 5, the head end. When the blade is lowered without resistance, its weight causes it to drop faster than the pump can fill the head end of the cylinder. This results in a lower supply pressure. Return oil from the rod end of the cylinder is restricted by the orifice, which causes the pressure to increase. This pressure acts on the end of the check valve, moving it to the right. Rod end oil can now enter the head end supply passage to add to the oil coming from the pump. This allows the blade to drop very fast without cavitating the cylinder.